Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use fixed function in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a number, so amount, so I'm going to use the fixed function on that. You can see here the rounds a number to the specified numbers of decimal and returns the result as a text with or without comma. So let's start. To simply select the cell, use is equal to and enter the fixed. And select the fixed function and select the first number. So select the number cell reference and use the comma. Then use the decimals. The numbers of decimal places. So number of decimal places. So here enter the 0. So I don't want the decimal places. Okay, so I enter the 0, then use the comma. And here you have a two option, true and false, to prevent the comma. So I mention here the true and bracket close and enter. You can see the 0 decimal here, number of decimal places is 0. Therefore, is no any decimal places here showing. Okay. I just double click on it. Here I mentioned the true, and therefore is a not comma is add on this amount. If you want to add the comma, so I just double click, and here I remove the true and select the false. Do not prevent the comma and enter. You can see the comma is added here. Okay, if you want to add the decimal places, just edit here the, so I add here the two decimal places after the amount. You can see the two decimal places. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.